Number one is the officer commanding the station, that is the Central Police Station, OCS, the duty officer who was on duty during the night in question, the cell sentry on duty at the time, all officers who were on duty at the report office that night, and any other officer found to have been on duty or otherwise involved during the incident. The National Police Service remains committed to upholding the rule of law, human rights, transparency, and accountability within the service. And we will provide all the necessary support to the independent investigative agencies investigation program. IPOA to say one or two things. Chair, please.
Bismillah. As the IG has said, we were informed about the death of the young man in police custody yesterday. Actually, the IG sent me a copy of the signal. And so from last night, we had already commenced the investigations. We have dispatched our team here. They have come here last night. They are still here today. They have visited the scene. Last night I had decided to come and see for myself this place where the death occurred. And I had informed the IG that I was going to come. So then he told me, actually I'm also going there, let's meet there. So I don't have much information to tell you from my POA, just to confirm that we have received the information about the death from the IG, and we have commenced our investigations in accordance with the law. And we want to assure, I watched Mr. Ojwang on TV crying. Any parent will feel the same pain when you have lost your son. I want to assure him and members of the public that IPOA will do everything possible to ensure that justice is served for the family and to Kenyans. And we're very happy that the IG has already interdicted all the officers who are in this station at the material time. We also want to warn those who are going to be appointed to act in their places, to cooperate with our investigators and not to interfere with the investigations. I thank you.
Oh, okay, thank you very much, Chair IPOA. The first question, I think in regard to what you got from the OCPD, my take is that that's why we have IPOA here, so that they can actually be able to establish what really happened. And remember, in my statement, I've indicated that I will be giving updates as and when we get any update that is really necessary. Number two, on the body having been confirmed dead at Bagavi Hospital, then ordinarily because it is a sudden death, then City Mortuary is the place to take so that the investigations can actually be able to continue. Yeah.
One more question.
My name is Sophie.
Maybe on.
One.
But because of question, you mind clarifying what exactly it was and what went to the against so that
Say again.
the false publication, what was it exactly and who was it against? Who was the complainant?
Let me put it this way. The reasons as to why the late Ojwang was arrested, together with a few others, is because there was a complaint that had been launched by the DIG KPS about his name being tarnished. So it is on that basis that investigations were actually being carried out, because he also have got a right to be protected by the same law. Thank you. The last one.
You have two IPIGs, you have Mr. Masindeli and Mr. Lagat. What is suspending the officers? Because the suspect was himself. So if you suspend the officer,
No, we have not suspended them. We have interdicted to allow for a speedy investigation, to ensure that there is no interference whatsoever with these investigations. That is basically the reason why we have interdicted them, and it is provided for in the regulations. Yes.
we expect some action like maybe heads rolling, maybe Baraka, that type of pointing out at one DIG.
So what's going to happen? Once they are interdicted, we allow the investigation to continue, and then at the end of the day, we are going to get a way forward from IPO. If any one of them is found to have committed an offence, then so be it. The law will deal with it. Yes, thank you very much. I think that's okay.
Ucio nĩ IG Kanja, DIGs Matsangeri na Langat